Once again, welcome back, guys. So today I will show you the importance of option change and how to read option change, and we can see where the option buyers are there or option sellers are setting, and also the significance of option chain analysis. So for that I am using opstradefinage.com. You can use an NSC option chain also, not an issue. It shows the same data. So here this is a call side. Okay, so this is the option chain of Nifty, tomorrow's expiry. Okay, tomorrow is 18th. So what's happening here, this is the spot price, the cash market, and this is the future price. So we are at 24,600. I believe most of them know what I am telling. So this is the call side. Okay, so this background pink is known as in the money, this green color background is known as at the money, and this is out of the money for call. For put, the white color background is known as out of the money, and this grayed out green color is known as at the money, and this is background pink is known as in the money for the put people. So now we are at the money 24,600. Okay, so what is long build up? Okay, long build up matlab whenever a trader is going long, he is purchasing call or he can purchase put. Okay, when his view is bullish, he will purchase call. When his view is bearish, he will purchase put. So in long build up, there are only buying call or put. Okay, and short build up matlab there are shorting. They can short call, they can short put. Okay, so what is the view of short of call? There will be bearish. And what is the view of short of puts? That will be bullish. So now what is long unwinding? Okay, long unwinding. So person who has took a long view, now he has to book the profit, right? So they will reduce the contract. So the open interest, the OI will change. Okay, so OI will change in day, and it will be calculated at end of the day how much he has now. So after long unwinding, he will be in profit or he will be in loss. Okay, same like that. Short build up, the person has short the market. Okay, he has a short position, so he is unwinding now. So that can be short covering, or it can also called short unwinding. So whenever there is a short covering, all the short will be traps, and suddenly there will be a good spike in the market. This is what people believe, and most of the time it happens. Short covering. I hope you understand long build up, long unwinding, short build up, and short unwinding. So now let's analyze option change for Nifty coming week. So we have, this is the strike price. So this is, we are at 24,600. So see, at call side there are good number of OI change yesterday. Okay, so now they have 2,77,252 contracts. So it means mostly many people are sitting here. Okay, so we have to see as per option writers only. So who are option writers? Who has short the positions? Okay, matlab they have sold the options. They are also known as option writers. So we have to check as per the option writers. Now you will tell why option writers? Because they pay huge premium. So when they pay huge premium, so most of the contract will be of option writers only. Because option buyer will not sit here for longer time, as today is holiday and tomorrow if market opens somewhere here or 50 points down, then his premium will decay. There is no use of sitting at these positions. But still there could be a option buyer also, not necessary option writer, but option buyer versus option seller, but we have to check as per the option seller only. So what it is stating? It is stating market on tomorrow it won't go beyond 24,700. So what if market open at 24,700? Then what will happen? Who has shorted here? They will book their loss. So there will be a short covering. So long unwinding, anyhow long unwinding will happen. Okay, so that long unwinding will turn into call buying. Okay, people will buy call now who has shorted. so they will be a very good upside rally. So this is called long unwinding a short covering. So same as for put we will check. So mostly we can see a good number of OI change at 28,317 at 24,450. So these people are telling market won't fall beyond 24,450. So what if market opens at 24,400? So these are the writers, right? These are the writers who has sold the put. So what they will do, they will start buying puts. So what will happen, there will be a drastical change. Okay, there will be a drastical change on the downwards, so market will fall here. Okay, this is called put unwinding. So what is the significance of option change? We will come to know where there is a more open interest, at that side there is some action. Okay, so we will come to know at call side there is a more open interest. Okay, so it means they are making a resistance. Okay, 25,000 is a resistance, like we have seen in technical analysis daily what I am doing, where I am showing there is a there will be a resistance at 24,500. So same like that we have a resistance at 25,000. So market will come at this level, and if it broken with good support, the open interest people will unwind their position from here. So we can see a quick action here at these levels. So now 25,000 we are considering to be a very good resistance. Okay, so at support level what we have, put writers are known as creators of support. Okay, so we can see no to here we have a more number of put writers. So 24,300. So downside this is the support 24,300. So people big players will take out this range, they will do put writing of 24,300 and they will do a call writing of 25,000. Big players do create such positions. Okay, so this will become our support and this will become our resistance. So this is the significance of option change. So now the most important part of the option, that is option buying or option selling. So those who trade in options, they will be eager to know there is a option buyer or option seller at the strike price which they are purchased. So in this is a trading tick website. In options there will be a premium decay. If you come there and you can select expiry, you can select symbol. So we have all the indices here and we have the strike counts, how many strike you want to consider. So here I want to check only for 24,600 and 24,600. So just what I want to know here, this is CE blue and this is PE put. So this is prior's day data, prior trading day data. So what I came to know here is above 0 to 20 these are the buyers, from 0 to minus 20 these are the sellers. So I know option buyers are sitting here and they are earning a premium of 27 rupees now, and put side there is a loss of minus 40. Matlab put writer are winning at put side, and on call side call buyer are winning at 10:45 am for the strike price of 24,600. Later what happened, as the day was going, everything was fine, call buyer was winning, put writers was winning. So next in the second of after 1:45 call buyers were trapped, all the call long build up turned into long unwinding or short build up has increased. We can see here. Just a moment, I will make it out more clear. So see, this all are a call buyers. Okay, this is called long build up, this is called long unwinding. So all the longs got trapped from 145 and they have made a long unwinding positions after 130. Okay, and at put side there were a very good number of put writers, they were sitting strongly. So here at 1:30 to 2 o'clock some of the put writers have unwinded their position, but still the put writers were sitting holdly, but we have not seen any put buying here, all of them were put writers only. So now let's check the same thing in chart. So Nifty in 5 minute after 130 145, what we have, what we can see, this is 20 EMA. After breaking the 20 EMA, there was a good downside movement. So same thing we have seen that in premium decay also, the long unwinding and the put writers, they were still waiting. So if I want to trade on that day, I have traded on a short side only. After 130 I have taken a put buying, or I would have gone call writing position. So hope you understood what I want to teach about the OI change, option buying versus selling, and the significance of OI change. So if you have any questions, please ask me in the comments, so I will be ready to answer you. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.